Hi, Express Show nyenda kutangira iyo mugenzi wanje yabasa kuba natwegitaho agamajingo kubasa kuba nofuna amakuru kurwo munsi ya heru itari ya Ugandeje. Amakuru go munsi ya heru tichikumanyisa ncyanje manyisa nka America, Buraya, Asia na handi pana. Nabiya kuba Kenya nayo nebe area heru kandi amakuru gabayo agene mu runyisi tutukureta buri kuru yona kiyo tukuretera agenoro nyisi wakamanya nseje ko kutambura obutabanguko ebyentasya na nebindi byo butegeki byamagara na nebindi byona ntuba ntubikuretera. Sky Express Show niyo program kandi nyenda kubatangirira umuhereza ndi EZD omwishikatwa Karuhanga igambirine wenyini omwana w'abakama. Nimbebaza kunda Sky TV oburenje kurangano basa kureba mpaka naga majingo iwe yatandakanitwe mpaka program zitu zikiroho zona mwenu kabanze ntandikyo niri yanshemereza nyamwa zitu beturi yaha nabagambira aba Philippines yangari ya Philippines okuri yo Rwanda gana nana area China habwa miz mu Philippines Sea ninga si jete South China Sea bashobora iraga mizo bwizire ngaba mu South China Sea yona hamwe nda kugitwara nka entity yona hamwe nka mizo gona hamwe konka Philippines hari tweta Philippines Sea ineho amizgayo konka China agona negezeho kugira ngo ega controlling ibase kuba negatwara ninga shomwanya nebwe garuruza echo enyuma ho America ekiza yabitahamu China nayo yija yabasa kuba China nayo yija kubasa kuba nebitahamu nega mangu America bantumwe tobagambira mumubase kuba numbiye sasara abakontera amasomo ndi ampeo mwen America kukujimanya nempaka zayo tenda kuraza tenda kutuza nyamwazyo obenoreba aba Philippines okubekozera umurimo bakatambuza amato gabo bakwenda kushare nsharo kutaho mizu ga China agiyatira nsharo ngo hotarigire yatahayo ihanga rindi ngo gamizi na ga China ninyandi controller barabira bya mwahono mbireba mbwen ehingambirebe America yakira mu ijoba riri ijoba negira ngo tekwenda kurutizagana na China hakuba Anthony Blinken omandiki mukuru wa America obwataye yo muri China bakaganira nanshonga za South China Sea agamizaga yajigambira ngo China habwencho nenda kuhamba burhamwe habwencha mizi aga Vietnam utagari cha Vietnam habwencha mizi aga Philippines utagari cha Philippines habwenchi amiza ga Taiwan utagari cha Taiwan habwenchi nenda gona kugefuga ukajangwa mizi gona nagawe bayaza kuyamo kuyomba wajena mwene bataka hiro bijere China bure wiro bure kene itandara amahanga gona kujanga tazo mizago hata na Philippines bemba Rwanda Philippines amahego kuma ninga si Philippines Coast Guard gajireyo nagoga basa kuba ngarebe mbera konka America kya hurebi yasindika Coast Guard ships agamato gokuma ejimyaro gokuma nyanja Coast Guard ships yasindika kujango ejende second Thomas Shoal on Philippines Sea ibase kuba netantara akabikona aka Chinese Coast Guard ships ezriyo aninga shagamato go marwana ga China ga mizi agokuma gakupatrollinga no kore bindi gatakasa kubanga leta kabi mwena America na yasindika gayo omwijoberi yajankare kabize bamashara na China omiza ho barebe yasindika matwaga kugira ngo gagende gayambeho Philippines hakuba bemba yakana Scarborough Shoal ngo menaga maintain ho meters meters inche kuza omuri meters weziri 10 kuza omuri Philippines kandi hariho meters rwenda kuruga heri mpaka kuza China itaka lya China here mwena gamizi nono rebe chemwe mu China ekatahira Philippines hata America yabasa kubana isindikayo ibintu byayo mbibyo reka tubirebe amaya toge yasindikayo agamarwanye.
Is this next turn?
Nice Air Force 341.
The shot was good. We're going to stay here for a little bit. Roger.
Runners left 15 degrees.
All right.
Sky Express Show izo nizo nshonga za China kwenda kuhamba miza America yagakabagarukamo katwize tuberebe yakome akubeka jirabura ya America inshonga za Asia ozireke za Asia inshonga za America uzikwatenge za America mweno tatahira America shayeji yasindika Coast Guard ships zigende nazo wazireba izemere namato wagareba gabasa kubana gagenda yo kwetegereza mbera kandi no kubasa kuba nagarinda ho ibyakubasa kwija bitaragire ningashi China itatabuka ikajahambuka yakora kabi ikatera aga Philippines mwena America neza yo no mango America nekunda buri hari America yo nekunda buri hari akavuyo kugira ngo eze katereze yereke ngo yoni chirman mwen amuyangari ya Slovakia Robert Fico prime minister bachutira masasi nawe bambuka mutwara baharitaka kuba mutwine baharitaka nyamwazi yo kugambira ho nakuhereza updates abo kuba umucyara president Zuzana Kapitova nowe abira president konkati bateri baronze president ndijo batorine umwami Peter Pellegrini yagurukayo yagira ngo bantumwe ibintu byo bitegeke imbere kembe bitegeki prime minister ekimukozurweho cyona n'inshonga zibe bitegeki atkonkanya we mu mpira karunka president yenda kuheraho prime minister mukwirukanzi yihangeri konka murekeraho emuviyo yanyu murekeraho biro kimwe cyone kikorwa askwinaho kureberaho na president bamushyikirize bamakumitera amasasi bakamutwara enyonyekije kamuyaho ekabasa kuba nemongerayo kugira ngo abase kufuna obujanja bamuteye mu rwaro beko hari itaka bamutekoma ICU ningashimwe binje mu kumanya nkakoma manyankwe ni mugenda nkakoma ningira yabasa kuba ariyoko ubwo mucyara wo kureberaho director w'irwaro yaga yagira ati nyo bantu mwe atkamba mbere ati hati no kushaba atabo kuba prime minister Robert Fico babasa kubano bamushemeza kurungi agamasasa mutirwe katubanze tushabe mukama turebe ebira akome abase kuba naterera nawo Peter Pellegrini yajya tubantu mwe bya demokrasiya mureke kumuharana abo jya ngwine nkwatagana na Putin ninga nabandi ubwo mutira amasasi yadakwasirwe konka nabasa kuba abire atabo wenka hina bamutumira namureba ninga nakuraki ati omuntu kurugayo kokora eki omurwijwire kuye mundu akatera president akatera prime minister murwijwire ati ogo omuntu naba hine cyayesigire ati nitukyondoza turebe enshonga yizirakome turebe oburugerero bwo kuterwa prime minister kuterwa amasasi turebe birakome aga nigo makuru tugaruke.
Murder of Slovakia's Prime Minister Robert Fico. It shows the 71-year-old at an anti-government demonstration in western Slovakia last month. On Wednesday, the former security guard and poet is believed to have fired multiple shots at Fico in the central Slovakian town of Handlova before he was wrestled to the ground. Fico was bundled into a vehicle and later airlifted to a specialist facility in this hospital in the central Slovak town of Banská Bystrica, where he underwent an operation that lasted hours.
The surgical patient had multiple gunshot wounds, which will affect his recovery. At this point, his condition has stabilized, but it is truly very serious.
After visiting Fico in hospital, Slovakia's incoming president said it was time for people in the country to unite.
We have to calm down the situation in the society. We have to ask the people not to fight against each other only because they have other political view or something like that. And we have to stop this high and very huge tension in our society.
Fico is Slovakia's longest-serving political leader and close to the Russian president. His supporters say the populist prime minister is a trusted pair of hands. His opponents say he's a divisive figure who's eroding rights. The government says the man who shot him was politically motivated but acted alone. They hope that the assassination attempt won't destabilise an already politically polarised country.
Tugende Sky Express Show mwebere munonga egwe nowe Robert Fico enshonga ze prime minister tumushabire turebe ko abase kuterera kandi okucyondoza kugenda mu misho turebe nyamwazyo mbakizeho amakuru ga Putin Vladimir Putin akwabasire kuba nagenda omuyihanga lya China kubasa kuba nareba counterpart Xi Jinping nawe awonire mwena Amerika ortaya rwa Putin omur China tiyabasa kuba nerusima Amerika yarga yajumira yajyangu China ishita kubasa kwikiriza ahansi yigura nihanga kurya marweta amulume no kurya habiri. Anthony Blinken waje no muri China bakaganira inshonga zibaganireho bazikirizana kandi batensa akwa Amerika yo ikabine motive ninga shigolo yo kugira ngo ibase kuhugura China ahankwataganana yayo na Russia bataza kumajinga munonga mwen ahinga mbirebe America wa Donald Trump yarga yagira ati whatever Putin yaje no mu Russia atubabiraba utari expecting ngo hariyo karungi kona ekibaroho cyona they are up to damage icyo yemba planning cyona behind closed doors mutareba plan eziriyo makuru eziriya kamera mukagira ngo byahwa pana cyaka basikaga abantu kwa kuheza baza behind the doors ba planning ebindi atkani nyo ni kubagambira Russia muri China Putin na Xi Jinping bariyo no batensa ekintu chamani konka Putin katayire Xi Jinping rijo baba basa kwemurka ombyare mwe kandi babasa kubana baganira byo bushobuzimbe nakugambire nti imports mu Russia korgo mu China zikozere munonga hagati yo bushobuzi bwa China na Russia ogumwa ko guhwire gwase kuba nugwa mounting to obuhumbi bwa dola $280 akona kasente kingi bakushobora hamwe konka hati ntwenda kureba barakomankahi ebyo bikiryaho abanyamakuru bamburuze bagira ngo Ukraine ahabwenki hati emwabene mwenda ebichweka kamwabe hambere mukabitwara hati Kharkiv rorembo rwa Kharkiv ron mundu wenza ki Putin yayihakana ati nyahimu kurebera hatine na hamwe itkwenda kugira ngo Kharkiv tugihambe tekabagana mpurani yitu kugira ngo tugihambe iyo tucyakabayo ga ati mukore ibindi byona konga Kharkiv itetere mpurani yitu cyo kugira ngo tugihambe kuyaho tuyine nshonga zitu nkitu atabo kuba tukagezaho kugira ngo tutekoho mwagana tutekoho space ya Ukraine ebase kuba ne holding ebase kuba ne kumera umwanya gwabo atkonga Ukraine yo kurebera na yazambuka egende tera residential buildings etera abantu babutosha etera maka etera amachachi amakanisa etera amashomero etekintu cyo gwinaza munonga mwene kugira ngo twerinde ari cyo cyo kurebera tuyizire mpora kuiza nturumba northern Kharkiv tukwa advancing kugira ngo securing Ukraine tugirize nyuma tubase kuba turi safe hato rutaro rgo witu tuzo wabo ito ntubareka bakore cyo bakwenda bashima kwano behabura konka bargo mu line ito nka Russia turiho gumantu batereza ebyo nabaho nyina kumanyisa kugira ngo Russia yo ekero hekeroho kurogebero mwenda kushika 2015 koshanya mwazya kurogebero mwenda byo kwezoko kushika koshanya mwazyo nyinda kumanyisa kugira ngo Russia yabasize kuhamba itaka rya Ukraine iri kwingana square kilometers 258 umwanya muhango omebere byonka mbabere biro bingaye nka mukaga niyo wikemwe umwikemwe eti ekaya hambere bwero mwenda ebyaro mwenda ebyo bibaze kubibarabara bashangana bitwara umwanya guru kwingana square kilometers 258 Russia cyene ihamba mpora na irizayo mwene nyenda kumanyisa kugira ngo America yo etantire munonga kandi eriyo okutaya kwa Putin omuri China America inobwe ine okutina munonga nyenda kugamba nti China na Russia bona benyene nkirizemwe kandi bine kigenderwa kimwe cyo kuyaho ubwakirimanyi America either Russia ninga China hatkubare Russia kiyarebere kugira ngo nebasa kugira ngo ihanga amahanga gani ngama kugereba kugiye ngo Russia niye kwenda kuba nambe mwe umunsi yona hati yashariya mu yagita na China batensa yazowa India batensa bakoro mukago ogubendo beta BRICS n'amahanga harimo Brazil harimo Russia harimo India harimo China harimo na South Africa nagana amahanga gaye ko agetorire gona ngena koro mukago gumwe kugira ngo gakoro mukago gumwe bakoro mbyentasi yabimwe bakoro byesente bemba kosa sente zimwe bakore obunywani ahagataho bashubure hamwe kugira ngo bongere ku munonga kunafiya America nyina kumanyisa kugira ngo yo Russia tekutina kan tehumwire ya Putin ari mu Russia ya abare Putin ari mu China kuriya bayono batowa order ako baragiriye anti-aircraft systems zibase kubarati izikosa kutera nkenyo nyinka mushanje mukono gumwe base kubana biterera konka agango makuru tugaruke.
It visit to China on Friday. Beijing and Moscow's strategic partnership has only grown closer since the invasion of Ukraine. And the visit comes at a time when Russian forces are advancing and Ukrainian troops are being forced to beat a retreat. Putin has asserted that Moscow's offensive in Ukraine's Kharkiv region aims to create a buffer zone, but has no plans of capturing the city.
They shoot and, unfortunately, continue to shoot residential areas of the bordering territories, including Belgorod. Civilians are dying there. It is obvious they are shooting right in the city center, in residential areas. I said publicly that if this continues, we will be forced to create a safety zone, a sanitary zone.
Now, Putin also visited China-Russia trade fair to underscore the strength of the economic links between the two nations. Now, the visit is being very closely watched by the West. The warmth of the handshakes and the hugs has raised tempers in Washington.
Sean, first is that the People's Republic of China cannot have its cake and eat it too. You can't have it both ways. You can't want to have good, further, stronger, deepened relationships with Europe and other countries while simultaneously continuing to fuel the biggest threat to European security in a long time.
Now, the United States has said that Beijing is helping Moscow's war effort by providing drones and missile technology, satellite imagery and machine tools. China, for its part, has flatly denied the charge. Russia has become increasingly more dependent on China as Western sanctions are acquiring a deeper bite. The Russia-China trade increased by almost about $240 billion last year. And Putin's visit once again has underlined the growing bond between Xi Jinping and Vladimir Putin, particularly at a time when both nations have got increased tensions with Europe and the United States.
Express show mwebale mnonga kuba mtwegitaho nabwo nshonga yakire nayo yine irikanga omuriye byona bayomba gambe byona nibikorwa Putin ariyo mukutensa zihangariye muri China Ukraine ombo mu cyo cyashasheri ijoba yakozera mu murumo esindikiye drones zikwingana 10 zabasa kubana zitera omuri southwest omashuma gaburengeri ijoba gayo ahamyaro itagetingere kibuga echa Novorossiysk hamwe ne Sevastopol n'umwaro oguri omashuma gaburengero izoba wa Russia hamwe na Novorossiysk nayo nago n'umwaro eje myaro nebika amashita ga Russia erimo byinge byo koramu mwene yo Ukraine cyakozere etkankore kifiriza egenzire okumukurebaho agamasasa gona ga drones ngarabanamu drones zawo zitera zirikangana nzenda kosya amakuru mwen exploding oil deposits ninga kujanga amatimbiro gamashitanye no gareba gono kubagatire omubivuge bibire umundembe zibiri kandi nobwa hati bayono batagetinga kubantu bosya omwaro gundo gwatu twapasi nago no mwaro guriyo kubika amashitaminya amatimbiro gamashita hakuba amashitaminya nago gabengaraga menagament Ukraine hine okwechameze Russia omubyentasia economically ejire mahize abo kuba amashitaga nago gabengareta entasia nyingi munonga omwanya no gureba mwena abantu bomba jango bebari yaho bahurebe ko kubaruka bahokoraki amatimbiro gamashita bagatera bagosya nebindi byingi munonga aho obuzibu bwa Russia babuhiza okuba ebene exportinga amashita mingi omahanga ga Malaysia, Taiwan hamwe na Singapore nga mahanga gabenga kireye kutwara amashita ga Russia, Malaysia, Taiwan hamwe na Singapore mwene hati ntwenda kwebuza amashita gayo ngacendera Russia eriyaho Putin ariyo muri China kuremuka bayino babatera abo nshonga zakireza bashatonisha toza mushaha ishatu niyambana henda mateka reka mbaze nkomaho then tubase kureba hine yanareba hano baguma Habert Charles wabuze kibuzo cyawe abo nshonga yakire ni manza kwa ningaruka banyi baguma Charles webera mnango kwa norebera YouTube n'umutimbagano nabandi bona abari ya Facebook yitu abakomentinga nabareba tenda bagabenka bamarayo Clifton Manyiro Mujuni ni webera mnonga kuboryo director muri bandoko na kwebaza IZD omushikatwa karuhanga igambine wenyini nyowe na timu yanje yona ya Sky TV abasa kubantu kwasaganya hamwe kandi ntugite buwongo na nemikono kurango twisiyaga makuru ntugamba ngo obusinje bwa murema karema bugumenimwe mpaka rukubanza turebine